We have arrived in Lima and the whole crew is here. So we just checked into a loft, Miraflores, Lima, Peru. And this is our room. Pretty standard, decent view, but the bathroom is the coolest part. Check out Steven taking it. And even better, while I'm showering, I can still see Steven.
This is what
First meal of the new year. We're doing Chinese food in Peru. This is the best water temperature ever. Didn't even have to flinch to get in. All right, here we are. Beautiful coastline in Miraflores. You have these absolutely gorgeous cliff sides with a huge walking path just goes all the way down. It's so relaxing.